Oh, hello, America. I was just sitting here on this skid of TPO reading the spec book. Folks, the purpose of this book is to teach you how to plan and install a commercial roof. In this segment, we're going to take a deeper dive. Those of you who are sitting down for the second segment, you probably know more, you should know more than the average roofer, estimator, PM, foreman. We're going to cover each section again, and I'm going to pull out some things that you really need to know or really need to introduce to. First segment is warranties, again, or guarantees. If you are an accomplished contractor, you're going to want to differentiate yourself from the other contractors. We offer EverGuard Extreme Membrane. Extreme Membrane is a higher heat membrane, and it also has a longer warranty. For mechanically attached, you can get up to a 30-year warranty with new construction or tear off, 80 mil membrane, and then you have to have 2 layers of insulation, so your insulation package. This will differentiate yourself on being solar ready. If you are in a high heat area like Arizona, Florida, Southern California, you will definitely reap the benefits of a higher heat sheet. If you're in the north, you might sell it on the warranty itself. Go into your building owner and say, hey, I have got a sheet that I can get you 30 years on because of this, 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 and this. So this is something that you can use to differentiate yourself. Second thing would be in the roof design considerations is a perimeter half sheet table. Now everybody knows that the wind hits in the corner of the building, the side, then the field. So you have to have your perimeter enhancements, your corner enhancements, and that is on page 16. Tells you the heights, the widths, and at one point where you have to go and do the math 0.1 or 0.4. At that instance, we follow factory mutual when it's over 200 feet wide, over 100 feet high. Okay, let's go on to page 25. This is the mechanically attached table. What this does, this tells you when you do the pull test in the deck, what your poundage is. Let's say we need 450 pounds, like the book says, you pull 451 pounds, great, go buy a lottery ticket. Now the manual will tell you exactly what you need to do. If you don't pull 450, now you have to call GAF, hotline 1-800-ROOF-411, say, hey, I'm doing this roof, I did not pull 450, what are my alternate attachment methods? What do I have to do to make this work on mechanically attached? If you do pull 450 or greater, it says you can use a Duraltech XHD number 15. That's pretty much a standard size to use. It gives you 3 different plates that you can use. It tells you need 3/4 of an inch through the deck. Now that's 3/4 of an inch through the top flute of the deck. So again, if you're doing a new construction or a tear off, you can pretty much see the deck, see where the deck is, and find it. A lot of times on a re-roof project, I have sat and watched roofers work, which is what I do, and I'll see a guy just, he never misses anything. He just keeps putting them in, putting them in, putting them in. And another guy over here, he misses, he pulls it out. So you don't want the guy on your crew just putting them in everywhere. You want the guy who is pulling them back out and recentering them over the deck. This guy isn't hitting everything. The guy who actually backs them out is. And I've seen that happen a lot. Now we're going to go over products. Products section starts on page 38. The products that we provide, the bonding adhesives, the insulations, the fasteners, plates, everything for a warrantable roof has to be our products. We have the right, I guess you would say, to walk away from a warranty if you use somebody else's screws, if you use somebody else's insulation, somebody else's bonding adhesive, all right? We don't warranty their stuff because we don't know how their products, how they're going to interact, perform with our products. So it's very important that you use the GAF products meant for that specific roof. Let's go to execution, all right? One of the most important things under execution, page 46, the heat welding equipment. We tell you the size generator we recommend, which is 10,000. The reason we recommend 10,000, everybody else will tell you 7,500 will work, and it will, but a lot of times, most times, you will have a screw gun plugged into a 7,500 watt or a handgun, and you're not getting the full amount of electricity that you need to run a robot. So with a 10,000, you can run a robot, 1 or 2 handguns, maybe a couple of screw guns. We would rather overspec than tell you what you absolute minimum need. We also tell you a 10-300-foot cord, 30 amp twist locks. We want you to have the right equipment. There are people who will go out and buy the little 110 robots. Basically, it's kind of like a handgun. It doesn't work that fast. You're going to say, wow, this is taking forever. You're going to go fast, and then you're not going to have a good weld. We want you to be successful. We want all of us to be successful. You, us as manufacturers, this is why we print this book. This is why we have the videos. This is why we have trailer trainings where we actually come to your yard, your shop, a distributor near you, unload the trailer, and we show you the application methods, the hand welding, the robot welding, test welds, cleaning, the whole 9 yards.